Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session. Children, yesterday due to some technical problem, the video duration was only 1 minute. So today, what we do is, yesterday's we will recapitulate and we will continue with the yesterday's class again, and then we will further add with the topic. So we were discussing about diversity in our society in the last class, children. I would like to tell you that how to make a friends with a different cultural background, with a different cultured people, or with a different language people. We make friends, isn't it? If they are of same age, generally we make friends in our school, in the streets, isn't it? So nearby our house also we make friends. So there is an example given in the textbook relating to two children who became friends in spite of their diversity. Their languages were different, they come from different background, but still they became friends. So about that example we were reading in the last class. So we learned that these people, one is called as a vegetable woman who sells the vegetable on the pavements, on the footpaths, and one boy from the nearby houses come to that vegetable vendor or to the vegetable woman and ask for bendi on the first day. So second day when this boy comes for the vegetables again, this vegetable woman smiles at him because yesterday he came for purchase. So the same person, when he comes, he smiles back. So then now the vegetable woman asks to that person, "Bhaiya kya chahiye? What do you want?" Then the schoolboy smiled and replied and asked, "What vegetables do you have? कौन सा सब्जियां है आपके पास?" बोल के पूछा था. Then he said, कद्दू है, तुराई है, टमाटर है, प्याज है, आलू है. So these all vegetables are there. The boy asked him, "Don't you know Telugu? आपको तेलुगु नहीं आती क्या?" बोल के पूछा. Then he said that we are from, हम बिहार से है, okay, थोड़ा थोड़ा आती है, कुंचम कुंचम, थोड़ा थोड़ा बोले तो little Telugu also I know it. And what is your name? Then he said, "Vegetable Suman." Then he said that my name is Suman. They call me as a vegetable Suman. Then he was surprised. "Oh, my name is also Suman." So both the boy who was purchasing vegetables is Suman, the boy who was selling is also Suman. But this fellow is vegetable Suman. That school child, the school going child, is also the Suman. So they both have become friends after this. After that meeting, they both have become friends. And daily, especially on Sundays, they were going for playing cricket. Okay, along with both Sumans, that vegetable Suman as well as this child, both were going and playing cricket. So student Suman would invite vegetable Suman to play with them. Vegetable Suman was a good fielder also. The vegetable Suman, the child who used to sell the vegetables on the pavement, he is a very good fielder. And he would joke that he practiced by not letting the vegetables fall down or roll on the ground, because shop में नहीं गिरे जैसे पकड़ता था, इसलिए I became very good fielder बोल के joke भी करता था. So after some weeks, Sundays they were playing and they have become friends. After some weeks, what happened? When student Suman met vegetable Suman, he found the shopkeeper was very upset. The shopkeeper means the vegetable Suman was very upset. Then he asked, "What happened यार, क्यों उदास है?" बोल के पूछा था. The municipality people are asking us to vacate this place, saying that this is an encroachment. Okay, encroachment बोले तो क्या है जी? Illegally occupying is called as encroachment. ENCROACHMENT. Encroachment means illegal occupying a place is called as encroachment. Encroachment बोल, म्यूनसिपालिटी वाले आके ये डब्बा निकाल देना, ये दुकान निकाल देना बोल के बोले जाते. क्यों? क्योंकि ये फुटपाथ के ऊपर है, वो जो है वो म्यूनसिपल लैंड है और उसके ऊपर आप शॉप लगा लिए, ये निकाल देना चाहिए बोल के बोला करते. इसीलिए वेजिटेबल सुमन वॉज वेरी अपसेट. And now they were asking us to go to the big market. बड़ा मार्केट को जाने के लिए बोल रहा, ये फुटपाथ के ऊपर बेचने के लिए परमिशन नहीं है बोल के बोले. Then I don't know where we will go now. मुझे तो नहीं मालूम हम किधर जाते अब, because we are very poor people. We used to lead a livelihood by selling the vegetables. अगर यही दुकान निकाल देने के लिए बोले तो हम अब किधर जाना बोल के पूछ रहा था. Then the student Suman was very much worried that his friend is going to leave him. He wondered how he could help his friend. ये सोच रहा था मैं मेरा फ्रेंड को कैसे हेल्प करूं बोल के. 2 दिन के बाद जाके देखे तो देन ही कुड नॉट फाइंड द शॉप देयर. 2 दिन के बाद देखे तो उधर शॉप ही नहीं था. शॉप निकाल दिए म्यूनसिपालिटी वाले, तो शॉप निकाल दिए. Then he was told that the municipality has cleared the place of all the pavements, encroachments, and student Suman felt very sad. अब तो दोस्त को छोड़ना पड़ा और दोस्त किधर गया अभी नहीं मालूम, and he felt very sad. कौन? स्टूडेंट सुमन. वेजिटेबल सुमन किधर गया फिर नहीं मालूम, माँ के साथ चला गया हो और एक जगह पे जाके और एक जगह पे दे विल पुट द वेजिटेबल शॉप. बट दिस इज हाउ irrespective of different languages, irrespective of different religious background, they became friends, and he felt very sad after missing the vegetable Suman. Both Sumans have many differences here between in the terms of their mother tongue, the states they come from, the work they do. He is a student and one fellow is a vegetable seller. The opportunities they have, yet they both have become friends. हम भी वैसे ही है. Okay. Irrespective of many different things, we become friends. So when you look at such kind of diversity in our country also, there is a large diversity. We live in a country in which people of different abilities, different languages, different clothes, different food habits, different religions, we all live together. Am I right or wrong? We all live together. So such diversity makes our life richer and varied. There are 28 states in India, and each has its own language. Of course, in Telangana we speak Telugu, in Karnataka they speak Kannada, in Tamil Nadu they speak Tamil, in Kerala they speak Malayalam, in Maharashtra Marathi, in Odisha they speak, in Punjab Punjabi they speak. So each state has its own language in our country. Irrespective of these many people speaking different languages, we can see that they all live together. The interesting thing is that slowly people adapt to each other dresses, food, and many other festivals and languages, and even religious ideas also they adopt each other. So about 2 such states we will see in our next class. Thank you.